Okay everyone, welcome to Glogster, and this is just a tutorial to show you how easy it is to use this technology tool. As you see, I've already logged into my account, and if I want to create a new glog, I click on create a new glog, and I can choose from a variety of different templates that are already in here to use. So I just choose which one I want, and it's going to bring that up, and I can start inserting all of my information and graphics and video. So to do that, I have my little toolbar here that's really helpful to use. Some of the things that you can do is you can change the background of the whole entire glog. So here it's like a road, but if I wanted to change it, if I'm doing a glog on a dystopia, I can click on wall and go to Google and then just type in what I'm looking for, hit enter, and it's going to bring up a lot of different images that I can choose from to use for my background. So then I just decide which one I want. Stretch and fill is what I want, so it fills the background completely. So there you have it. The wall is changed and my background is a dystopian community. So up here I can add a title, or I can put whatever text I want. What happens is it brings up a text editor box, and you can change the font, you can change the color, you can bold and underline. And I can also change the color of this box if I want to, and the color of the text. Next, I can add text into the text bubbles here. And what happens when I start typing is the text doesn't fill the bubble, it's actually too big. So what I can do is change the size to auto size, and that helps the text to fill the bubble so that there are no scroll bars and you can see all of the words right away. So next, I wanted to add an image. I can do that by simply clicking on image. And again, using Google, which is the easiest way to do it. You can download pictures from the internet and save them to your computer and use those. That would come up under My Images. But a simple way to do it, just to find some good general pictures, would be to do it through the Google search. So I just type in what I want to find. And again, I have several pages here. Click on the image I want to use. I can add a frame if I want. So you can really use a lot of different creative things on your poster. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And it looks like it worked. So what I want to do is resize this image. So I just click on the arrows and pull it down. then I can put it right here where the first green box is. And these green boxes are really just placeholders. I can get rid of them once I put my image there very easily by just clicking on the green box and clicking the trash can. So here I have my first image, and I can add more text. And again, with the scroll box, I can auto size the text so it all fits in there. So it looks like that. And so I have lots of different options here to put more text and to put a lot more images. Again, there's more text box down here. And I can also add a video if I'd like. You can go to YouTube and add a video. Another thing you can do is you can rearrange the page any way you want. So nothing is set, everything is movable. So you can really make it your own. Even if you use a template, you can change anything that you want. If you want to add different things, you just go to the top here, click on the plus sign, and that brings up this toolbar. And if I wanted to add different text boxes in, I can choose from many different ones. There is just an innumerable amount that you can choose from here. Graphics, you can add graphics in as well to really just make your blog your own. So even if you use a template, it's a great place to start. But you can really add in anything that you want to that's going to really make it pop. So if I wanted to add something like that, I could do that and just kind of put it off here to the side. So there's just so many different things that you can do. You can spend hours on it, or you can make it really simple and straightforward. It's very easy to use, it's very user-friendly, and it's just a great tool to use in the classroom. Once you're finished, you can save it, and you can give the blog a name. And then I can leave it unfinished since I'm not quite finished with it yet, so I save it. And if the blog is finished and it's a finished project, what you could do then once it saves is hit preview, and it's going to bring up your finished product. And then if you hit this frame here, it's going to bring up a whole screen of your project, everything that you did, and it's just a great way to display your work all in one screen. So if you're displaying your project, that's great, an easy way to do that. And that's it. If you wanted to go back to edit your blog again, you just hit edit your blog, and it will take you back in so you can make more changes. Again, very simple to use, very innovative and creative. You can do so many different things to really make it your own. So I hope you enjoyed it, and good luck with your blogs.